Guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. It's the JJ. If you are new here, I do a lot of research and reviews and also content about my lifestyle. If you're an old subscriber, what's up? So today I'm going to be unboxing products I got from Temu in anticipation for hairs I ordered. Now, one of my hobbies is shopping, and I also love to shop as an individual. When it comes to shopping online, for me, it's a mixture of research, inspiration, and sticking to the plan. This is my second time ordering from Temu. If you don't know about it, it's an online marketplace where you can shop for any items. So let's get into it. These are some of the products of hair which I got at an affordable rate. They came in a space of like 2 to 3 weeks, which is quite fast coming from Temu as an international online marketplace. I love that. The fastest I've come across though. First on the line was my styrofoam head. This is what I would be needing just for the moment in order to give a little touch to the wig that I am anticipating for. I was surprised it came quite well without any cracks. It just has some little presses on it. Maybe that might be due to packaging production, but it's all good. It also comes with a hole beneath it for mounting on the wig stand. The cost was 3,800 naira. Affordable, right? Let me hear your take in the comments, and the link to all of these products will be in the description box. Next up, it's a wig stand I opted for. Yes, the color pink got my attention. Trying to open this item sometimes is so difficult that I had to use my eyebrow razor. I was tired of my fingers doing the tearing. You deal with a whole lot of packaging with this type of delivery. This costs 14,966 naira. Curiosity made me mount up this wig stand. While assembling the device, I thought it was going to be as long as the other wig stand I normally see them put up, but to my surprise it wasn't. This is because I didn't do a proper research on the size and the length during my order. It's only possible to style the wig while sitting or standing. I was a little disappointed. I fell for the color first and not the properties. So yeah, next time I would go solely for the long stand regardless of the color. My pink wig hanger. Second time I'm ordering this. It comes with a hanger. Yes, this can be used for 2 weeks. It can be used to hang 2 weeks, one on both ends of it. I encountered a difficulty while opening it. The zip was stuck and misaligned, so I had to go again with my pink eyebrow razor to save my fingers from being an opener, because my finger is always doing the work. These fingers are already tired. Voila, it works. This goes for 3,682 naira. Melting band. This was the cheapest I could find. I love the blue shimmer, and yes, it does its work so well. It properly lays down my edges. I would also be getting a melting spray on my next order, so stick around and watch. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you get notified on my next video. The melting band goes for 1,163 naira. Let me hear your take in the comments. Is this cheap or is this expensive? Elastic hair bands. Elastic hair bands. It comes in 3: pink, burnt orange, and lilac. Pink, burnt orange, and lilac. Now, what inspired me to get this? I stumbled on this from a wig store on Instagram. So I decided that no way, I'm getting this band. I am getting this band in anticipation for the hair I will be receiving someday. Someday, that's my fantasy, and funny enough, it might come true. You never know. You just never know. So I got this for 4,075 naira. Was this quite expensive? Let me know in the comments, please. I want to know, is this expensive or it's not? Hair clips. This was quite affordable, so I opted for it instead of the other one, like the crocodile hair clips. But I think I will be purchasing those ones soon. Yes, it does its job. It's just that I felt it's smaller compared to what I would be needing. It came in a quantity of 10 and goes for 1,850 naira. Finally, drum rolls. Tiny toothed comb. I would be needing this to comb my straight wig. It cost a whole 855 naira. I think I wasted money on this because after getting this, I saw this was just something I could get around for like 200 naira or even less from a shop around me. I had no idea that that was possible. So that's all. Emptied the sack. Thanks for watching. If you find this insightful, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get informed on my next unboxing video. Tada! Take care, guys, and thanks for watching.